A few days back, I embarked on a shopping trip with the intention of finding the perfect Mother's Day gift. My destination was a beloved local boutique renowned for its exquisite handmade goods and reasonable prices. As I entered, the bustling atmosphere of eager shoppers greeted us, a testament to the store's popularity, especially during holiday seasons. Despite the crowd, our excitement was palpable, fueled by the anticipation of discovering something truly special. Amidst the array of beautifully crafted items, I found ourselves drawn to several captivating pieces, each with its own unique charm. My enthusiasm only heightened when I learned of the enticing Mother's Day promotion, a generous 25% discount on select items. With my selections in hand, I joined the queue, patiently awaiting our turn to complete our purchases. However, upon reaching the checkout counter and settling the bill, a nagging doubt crept in. Had the discount been applied? To my dismay, upon closer inspection of the receipt upon returning home, it became apparent that the promised discount had not been honored. Frustrated but determined to rectify the oversight, I resolved to return to the boutique and address the issue directly. Upon explaining the situation to the salesperson, I was promptly directed to speak with the manager, who assured me that the discrepancy would be promptly resolved. In that moment, I couldn't help but reflect on my own experiences as a former salesperson. Mistakes are an inevitable part of any profession, including my own. What truly matters is how we choose to address them. Acknowledging our errors, extending genuine apologies, and offering practical solutions not only rectify the situation but also demonstrate accountability and a commitment to customer satisfaction. Indeed, this approach has proven to be a powerful tool in my coaching arsenal, a lesson learned through both personal experience and professional insight. By embracing humility and empathy, we not only foster goodwill, but also cultivate trust and loyalty among our clientele. So, to all those navigating similar challenges, I implore you to heed this advice and witness firsthand the transformative impact it can have. Trust me, it works like magic. Give it a try, you won't be disappointed. As we journey through the world of urban design, I urge you to join our vibrant community by subscribing to our channel today. Here's why. 1. Exclusive perks. Subscribers gain access to a range of perks and benefits, carefully curated to enhance your experience and support your journey towards success. 2. Rigorous testing. Everything we share on our channel is rigorously tested and backed by scientific research, ensuring that you receive only the most reliable and effective insights. 3. Shared goals. Your subscription isn't just about receiving content, it's about joining us on a collective mission towards excellence. Together, we can achieve extraordinary things. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Subscribe now and become part of something truly special. Your support isn't just appreciated, it's essential for our continued growth and success. Subscribe today and let's reach new heights together.